Hi everyone, I'm really excited today to continue on with our 3-ring Christmas binder. I'm going to go ahead and do the second page today. Here's our cover on page 1, and we're going to just continue on. So let's go ahead and do our side pocket first. This is going to be a huge side pocket. Oh yeah, and remember, I printed everything on a lightweight cardstock, and I printed a neutral on the back of pages 2 and 3, and the neutral's in the kit, so don't worry. And I've cut and I've inked and I'm ready to go. And remember, we need to stay out of this area here with everything because that's where our rings are going to be. So we're going to turn this into a pocket by gluing along the top and the bottom. And then as a little trick on the side right here, I'm going to go ahead and come in about 3/4 inch and just do a little more gluing. And that way when I come to put my tags and things in there, I won't go past that point, and then it won't get punched with our 3 rings when we put that in. So it's just a little extra insurance to keep me from getting myself into trouble there. All right, go ahead and glue that down. We also have a beautiful tag that's gonna go on this paper. You could create an extra pocket with this if you wanted and add something else into this tag. I feel like these 3-ring kits get plenty thick, so I'm not too worried about adding anything else. But they're very easy to make, and they have a really beautiful effect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tab on. This is decorative, but it's also gonna help pull this in and out of that side position right there. So I think I like it right about there. You can adjust it if you want it somewhere else. There we go. I do have some extra little bits in this kit. Ooh, I also have, this is just something that's in there. I think I'm gonna use it there. It's in the kit, but I just kind of made it to be a washi tape style thing. It's just an extra. You could use it as a washi tape or a belly band or tabs for the top of tags. It's just kind of whatever. But now that I'm putting this together, I'm noticing that's fun because it coordinates with our tab right here and adds a little red, which is nice because it's Christmas. All right. And then we'll just add that little bit there because I've laid everything out and that piece is extra, so why not? All right, so that's gonna go ahead and tuck right into that pocket right there. And you'll notice it comes past the midline. That's okay because when we fold it, this will be our outside of our book and that will just hang off. It would even be cute to add a little dangle to that or something. All right, we have this fun piece of ephemera, and I've used it in all of them and I just love it. But on this one, I went ahead and added a little Christmas touch by adding this little holly right there and 2 tiny tags for this one. If you want, let's see, here's another extra little bit. This would be fun. I'm gonna scooch those over here so that when I put that 3-ring in, if it hits there, it'll be okay and we can still use that pocket. So just keep that in mind. I think normally I'd put it a little further over this way, but that's okay. All right, so there is that page. And now we have this exciting page here. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is we have our 2 tabs right here and right here that are just going to be glued onto the back of that main piece. It's nice to put those on first so you don't accidentally glue that down and forget. There's one. And I'm just kind of lining that up the best I can. It's not exactly the same size, but these are just a hair bigger, so nothing major. All right, let's go ahead and put our eyelets in, because if we wait on that, then we're gonna get into some trouble. So let's put our tabs down. We have two, one for the top and one for the bottom. I just kept these nice and neutral. I think I got that about centered. Maybe. And we have one more. Just nice and easy. When you have everything cut out and ready for to go with these, it's really a very relaxing, creative process. One that I really enjoy. All right, let's go ahead and put our eyelets in now, because it'll be a little bit harder once we have that put in place. So I just guessed on the center of that. There we go. Oh dear. I think that happens about 6 times out of 10. All right, so we have this little flip. Now, just a heads up on this. If you wanted, you can create that into its own belly band and tuck something else back in there. There's just a lot of creative options. For my purpose today, I'm actually going to be gluing it down. And I'm gonna go ahead, and you can also keep this out. Instead of gluing this piece, you can keep this out and just have it sit inside of your little fold out right here. So this can just be loose in there, but I find that it falls out too easily and I'd rather just glue it down. But it could be a loose piece, just like that with our belly band that we're about to add. So it's up to you. Just barely along the edge of this, you're gonna need that for our tag. Got a little extra glue I'm gonna just dab off. All right. That's gonna come eyeball in the center. We have this gorgeous fussy cut. That's gonna go right here. And you can kind of decide which way you want. I like that. Yes, there it is. And then just put that down. You'll notice some of these are gonna pop up, so you can go ahead and, now that you know exactly where that fussy cut's gonna lie, you can go ahead and really get those little edge pieces down. All right. Now, I added a new piece in this kit because I just really like the look of it, but I wanted to do this little tab. I think I like it in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right in the back. There we go. And if you want to, oh, that's really off center. And if you want to add a little bit of lace or whatever up here, you totally can as well. So that is going to be tucked behind our belly band right here. Now we can glue this down, and remember, you can keep that as a side tuck if you want to add some coffee dyed paper tucked back in there or whatnot. And also keep in mind we're coming away from this edge, so toward that center fold is where we're going to be. So let's go ahead and put that down. I've decided, I don't know if any of you remember me getting this small glue bottle. I really, really love the control of the little glue bottle, and I love this top. But the one downside is that it runs out of glue very quickly. So you're continually changing the glue in it, which is okay. That's okay. It's not a huge deal, but just so that I'm being honest and telling you what I think about it. All right, I do have this tiny piece left. I'm wondering if I put it over there. I don't know. In the last kit, I used that as a little tag topper, but now it's just a little extra piece. Oh, you guys, I put these on upside down, but that's okay. I just needed to flip it, but it won't matter. You can't tell. It's super cute. Either way, I think I'm going to go ahead and put it here. All right, now I need to close that. I have some fun baker's twine, and I'm going to do this pretty neutrally color. I think it'll be perfect with this style. So that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to give you the final run through before I officially tie that shut. So we open this up. You can use this back here for journaling, and you could use that even as a tuck if you wanted. And then you have this tag with some fun journaling space on the back. And then this is going to go ahead and close up. Oh, I love these Christmas papers so much. I'll have to show you a close-up. All right, there we go. Can you see how it has this pretty like type font in there? I love it. All right, and look at that. It's almost like a forest green tulle. Anyway, it's beautiful. Okay, so then we have that, and then over on this half we have this beautiful huge journaling card, or you could put a photo and it would make a gorgeous photo mat either way. We have our happy bird up here and some tiny little tags up front. So anyway, that is how easy it is. Page 2 and 3 of our fun journal, and we'll just keep working through. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, the link is down below. If you want other inspiration, you can go to our Facebook group. That's linked down below too. And the ladies there and the gentlemen there that craft are absolutely incredible, and they inspire me so much. So if you want to check that out, the link's down below as well. So we will talk to you later. Bye.